Now, I did not mark. I should mark it like the intro.
You could do like the.
Yeah, the last four exactly. I'll do. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah. Let me get that right.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire. Jack Frost nipping at your nose. Yuletide carols being sung by a choir and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. Every mother's child is gonna spy.
Let's go over that. So we go.
I always get stuff.
That's
And
fine.
every mother's
It's
child is
it's the same pickup and every mother's, but it goes to a different note. First you go. What are the words of the first time?
They know that Santa's
Yeah, it goes there.
on his way.
And what? Say it again. Even.
They know that
Oh,
Santa's
they know
on
that
his
Santa. But the second one is this.
mother's child.
That's the
Okay.
difference. The first
Okay.
one is this. They know that Santa. And then
Santa's on his way.
and every mother's child.
He's gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to
Right.
fly.
So if you get those two starting
Yeah.
pictures, yeah. So and they know Santa.
Hold on.
Sure. Need some water? Get some water.
I had a phlegm.
Bummer.
Okay,
Need some water?
I'm good.
Okay. And you gotta bring a big jug of water with you.
Yeah, I will.
Okay. Ready? They know that
That
Santa.
Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh. And every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1
Now we gotta go.
to kids from
Yeah, right.
1
So it's gotta be.
to
I'm offering.